Welcome to my new tutorial. I'm your airport walker and today we would like to go to the check-in area 1, 2 and 3 from the Radisson Blu Hotel. When do you think my channel is helpful for you? Then subscribe please. Please check before you go to the check-in area where is your airline. Check-in 1, 2 or 3. Go right. You have two options. At first you can use the escalator, you see that's front, and you can use the elevator behind the escalator. You have reached the check-in area 1. Let's go to the check-in area 2. You have reached the check-in area 2.
Bemerken Sie verdächtige Aktivitäten oder unbeabsichtigte Gegenstände, melden Sie dies bitte umgehend dem Flughafenpersonal oder der Polizei. A security warning from the police: never leave your baggage unattended. If you see any suspicious activities or unattended items, report them immediately to the airport staff.
Let's go to the check-in area 3.
Si vous êtes témoin d'activités suspectes ou remarquez des objets abandonnés, veuillez les signaler immédiatement au personnel de l'aéroport.
You have reached the check-in area 3.